So guys, welcome to my another new episode, and in this episode I am going to talk about integration system for a spouse who will come in Finland as a spouse. Yes, if you are a spouse and you got a permit and you are living in Finland, you have a integration system from the government. Okay, so you are eligible to get the integration system. And how this integration system works: so integration system mainly is given for 3 years. So in these 3 years you will get benefit from the government. You will get some money as you are unemployed. So when you come to Finland, in the beginning, what you need to do, you need to register yourself as a job seeker. Okay, you will go to te toimisto, that is called te unemployment office. You go there and you register yourself as a unemployed job seeker, and after that this Te office, they will provide you language courses to learn Finnish language, and it could be 6 month to 1 year language course, depending on you how you learn the language. So after you complete this language course, you will be provided with a diploma courses. If you want to go for the education, like you want to complete diploma course or vocational degree from Finland, you can get this from vocational school for 2 to 3 years diploma course. If you don't want, you can go to work. Okay, so you will get 3 years integration time, and in this time you will get some benefit from the government as you are unemployed, and the benefit could be from 500 euro to 800 euro per month. So after you complete 4 years a permit, you can apply for permanent residence, and if you complete 5 years, you can apply for Finnish citizenship. And for applying Finnish citizenship, you need a language certificate from Ukitest, or you can have a diploma degree in Finnish language. So you can apply with one of them. So after 5 years, you can apply for Finnish citizenship. So this is the system for a spouse in Finland, how you get the integration system. Okay, and one more thing, to bring your wife or to bring your spouse, you need to have 1,700 euros per month income after tax. So the net income should be 1,700 euro in your account to bring your spouse. And if you want to bring your child or family, then there is a per month salary you need to show in your account. So guys, this is how the system works. So hopefully now you know how the integration system works. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please thumbs up on my video, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So guys, have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.